Good day, Carlos with American Insurance Brokers, protecting your way of life. In today's video, I want to discuss a non-medical life insurance. Now, that can be a little confusing. A lot of times when people hear non-medical, they think, great, I can have everything in the world wrong with me and I'm going to get life insurance. Well, no, that's not what that means. That's called guaranteed life insurance. What non-medical simply means is we can potentially qualify you for up to a certain amount of life insurance. Some companies go up to 500,000, some go up to $1 million, and you don't have to necessarily go through a medical exam. So you don't have to have lab work done. It's what's called a paramedical exam. They'll send a nurse out, they do blood work, urinalysis, lab work, all of that, and then they report that information to the life insurance company to determine whether or not you're eligible for coverage. They also use a couple of database systems. One is called the Medical Information Bureau, known as the MIB, and the other one is there's one called LexisNexis. There's a couple of other RX databases that they use. Milliman is another one. But basically what they do is when you provide your information on a life insurance application, they match up your name, address, social security number, date of birth, and they check these systems. And if you have had any major medications indicating major issues or diagnostic results such as cancer or something like that, it's going to show up in these systems. It's kind of like running your driver's license. And then they can determine your eligibility at that point for the plan that you're applying for. A lot of folks simply want the non-medical, so they don't have to go through getting poked, prodded, and providing urinalysis. Now, provided you are going to pay a little bit more in premiums than if you were to go through a full physical exam, but a lot of folks just don't think it's worth it to have to go through all that. So if you've been kind of hesitant in getting life insurance because you're afraid you're going to have to go through all that stuff, we do have a non-medical option that you may be able to qualify for. And quite simply, it looks like this. So here is an example of a 35-year-old male, non-tobacco user. Make sure I got my parameters right. Yeah. 35-year-old male, non-tobacco, $100,000 of life insurance coverage. We just put average health in there. Okay, let's just put, average health. $100,000 of coverage. If we look at non-medical coverage, it's going to start right here. So we have Transamerica. They have their LB20 plan, which is $31.13. Foresters is another great option. They have some additional benefits. They are a fraternal organization. Their Strong Foundation plan would be $32.29 a month. American Amicable, Mutual of Omaha, Columbian Life have quite a few companies that do offer non-medical life insurance. But if you are interested, you can click on the link provided in the description and simply fill out the information and we can do some quotes for you. You can IM me for more information and we can set up a time for a private conversation and I can just simply run some quotes for you. If you like what you hear, we can go ahead and get you applied and we can get you, with some companies, we can get you approved instantly, some within 72 hours. So if you're interested in making sure your family is protected and you have something in place and you want some additional term coverage without the headaches, give me a call. Carlos at American Insurance Brokers, protecting your way of life. Thanks for watching this video and God bless.